The Ohio River stretches over 900 miles, a lifeline carved through the heart of America. Its waters have carried steamboats, barges, and dreams, some fulfilled and others are forgotten. It's a river of stories whispered along the current and some buried in the silt along its banks. And here, where the river bends and slows, one of those stories lingers, rusted, rotted, and half reclaimed by the earth. You can't miss it if you know where to look. A vessel, or what's left of it, lodged in the mud, a shell of its former self. Its steel hull bleeds rust into the soil, a skeleton of iron crumbling under the time's weight. Once a welcome sight, it is now little more than a heap of splintered planks, sagging and decayed, as if the river itself is reaching up and pulling it down. There really is no saving it, no hope of dragging it back out to the water. It's been here too long, sinking into the bank and into the past. The closer you get, the more its condition sinks in. What is this? And then you feel it. A prickling sense of eyes. It deepens as you draw closer, sharper with every step. Is something peering out from those shattered, empty windows? Some restless presence trapped in the past, replaying its life endlessly? A spirit tethered to this slow sinking wreck? It's a chilling thought. Did everyone escape this ship alive? But the truth is, its past wasn't as grim as the wreck you see today. Its peeling paint gives one clue. Merdie, Boggs and Sons can ever so faintly be seen. My research shows this was once a thriving heartbeat along Ohio's banks, a floating hub where river life converged. Known as the Merdie, Boggs and Sons Harbor Service, it served Catlettsburg Harbor, offering gasoline to weary boatmen, fishing bait for hopeful anglers, and likely a cold bottle of pop to wash down the day. If these rustled walls could speak, they'd echo with tall tales, river monsters snapping lines, grumblings about the weather, and the endless saga of the one that got away. Laughter and chatter once filled the air, bouncing off the wooden house perched atop its deck. This was no mere barge. It was a lifeline for river folk, a place of small talk and big dreams. But time, relentless as the current, has staked its claim. Storms have battered it, the sun has bleached it, and years of neglect have gnawed away at its bones. What stands now is a shadow of that bustling past, sinking ever deeper into the silt. It served many roles in its day. The details are not very forthcoming, but everyone who remembers this vessel from its heyday all have a warm sentiment about it. It's an unfortunate reality that all good things do come to an end, and sadly, its end seems to be coming very slow.